Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn about Microsoft Access. How are we going to open Microsoft Access? You need to click on the start button, and in the search option you can just write Microsoft Access and click on the Microsoft Access option, and then the Microsoft Access will be giving you the option to open any existing or the new blank database. So you have a multiple options. So we're going to open blank desktop database. This is Microsoft Access 2013. Remember, while we click over here, you will be asking to give a name of the database. So whatever the name you wanted to give it, you can assign a name. Suppose a testing database, right? Test 1. So we have given a name, and now we're going to create. Click over here. This has been created. Once it has been created, you can see this is the entire desktop screen of Microsoft Access. This is how you're going to work on this. The table, by default, the name of a table will be given as table 1. So here you will find all the objects. As we have already discussed, our objects will be displaying over here. So our first object, as we discussed earlier, that is our object table. Here you're going to click and create further fields in Microsoft Access. By pressing right mouse, you will find a menu. You choose a design view, click over here, give a name, a table. For example, the table is belong to student, so std, and the name is master table. Master table, as I described you earlier, master table as a kind of a table which does not need to update again and again. The kind of a record which require a persistent data, the data which will not change again and again. We have given the name. Now click OK. Here we have created a table. Now you can see this area where we're going to create and give in the names of the field. Now, for example, I'm going to give a name to the table. I'm going to decide here there is an option of a field. Let's suppose I'm going to give the name of a field. Suppose student GR, right? And whatever you wanted to give a data type, you will be selecting from here. By clicking this button, you will find a list, that drop down menu, and you select a particular data type. Suppose GR number is always on our number, so I'm going to select number. Then I have the student name. I have given the student name, and of course the name should be always on the text. Okay, now I'm going to select student date of birth, DOB. Now it should be date and time. There you go. And I'm going to give student contact, and I'm going to give that number again. But this number is a long integer, so maybe the numbers will be short, you can assign the double. So because the total number of a strength of a contact number can be increased, but normally we can also assign 7 numbers, but double will increase the number of data to be entered in there. Okay, now carry on by. Now once we entered, now save this by pressing this button. This has been saved. Now click on the student master. Here you can see that we are in the editing mode of the table. Now you can assign, for example, GR number is 101. Suppose the student name is Ali Muhammad, and date of birth is, you can clicking over here if you want, you can give that the date of birth 23, and you wanted to 2005, suppose. 2009. Right, student contact number 0300 2219724. There you go. So one record is being added. We can save it, and this is just a introductory first database, creating a table. That's just a simple option for you. The next lecture I will be uploading very soon. Thank you very much, boys. Meanwhile, I'll stop it.